You will probably know these words if you're a tech professional, but careful because they're usually mispronounced. So, what is a tech professional? An IT engineer, a project manager or product manager, a hardware developer or software developer, etc. So I want you to be able to pronounce these words with confidence. So let's get started. Our first word is algorithm. Algorithm. So the stress is in the first syllable, algorithm. Make sure that at the end you stick your tongue out for the TH and we put it back in. And that is a whole extra syllable, so give it a little time. Algorithm, them, algorithm. Our second word is automation. So, contrary to popular belief, we don't start with ow sound. That's how we spell it, but we pronounce o, o, t. Then we have a little schwa, o, t, and then mation. So two of these syllables are really small and they're little schwas, and that's automation, automation, automation. Let's continue. We have then program and programmer. So here there's a big difference between German and English. The stress in English is in the first syllable. Program and programmer. So make sure you give a little time for that syllable and you pronounce the lovely two sounds. Oh, program and programmer. Now let's look at the following verb. It has two syllables, maintain, and the two sounds are exactly the same. A, except that the second syllable is a bit longer because it carries the main stress. So maintain, maintain. But what's interesting is that the noun has a completely different pronunciation. So the main stress is in the first syllable, which is still main, but then we go maintenance, maintenance. And that's the noun. Maintenance. Maintain, maintenance. Maintain, maintenance. To wrap to wrap up today's pronunciation series, I want to mention two words that are my favorite and I've heard them mispronounced way too often. So that's hardware and software. These words are made of two parts that are equally important, so that's called a compound word. So there isn't a syllable that's shorter, like high school, software, hardware. The first part is soft and hard, easy peasy. Shouldn't have major problems with that. And then we have where. So make sure that the W sounds like a U. So where. Then there's an open A and a schwa. Where. Where. It's not soft w. It's not a small syllable. It's like when you ask where. Where are you? Where are you? Where? Software, hardware. So if you like this pronunciation tips and practice, follow me on Instagram. I post pronunciation of specific words there often, so I recommend you follow me there to continue practicing. That was it on my side. Uriel.